Good morning. Spent last night watching the premiere of Dancing with the Stars. We all had our little ranking sheets. My scores agreed pretty well with the judges, except for like maybe two of them. Though my sister pointed out that at one point I just started trying to guess what the judges were gonna put, so maybe that wasn't the right way to go about it. But I don't know. I'm in tune with the judges, I guess. Well, also Carrie Ann wasn't there, so maybe she would throw things off. But now I'm watching the finale of The Summer I Turned Pretty. Now, we know that I've been Team Conrad. Will always be Team Conrad. So, very excited about this one and just seeing him in Paris with Belly. Okay, I still have how much? I don't even know. I think I'm close to halfway through, but I will give you my thoughts at the end. Later today, I have 2 workshops for my neurotech program, but I don't know. I feel like always on Wednesdays, because I at least always have one. I kind of give myself the day off. So I like focus on that only. But I also should kind of work on my PhD applications, which I have obviously started a long time ago, like the essays, but they've started opening up. So I was working on some of the extra essays, and I need to fine tune like all of my statement of purpose for like each school. So starting to do that for Berkeley and Oregon. I believe the rest haven't opened up yet, but they should open soon. So I will work on that, and I will check back in with you guys later. It's over. I liked it. I feel like it was a good like little redemption for a lot of them. Obviously, like the season, like Jer has not been my favorite, but I did like him this episode. Seems he's made a lot of progress, and like that he's putting all his energy into his cooking thing. I wasn't sure how I felt about Denise and Jer at first, but I kind of liked them together, and I feel like she's like good for him. Taylor and Steven, definitely a lot better place now. And Adam, I still don't like him, but I guess he had his little moment with Jer. Of course, Billy and Conrad together needed to happen. Kind of wished at the end when they walked through the house, I thought everybody else was going to be there, and I kind of wanted them all to have a moment together. Obviously, I want to see more, but nice little last episode. Hello, I bought red, like to boost the red color, like new shampoo and conditioner that finally arrived. So I finally washed my hair. This is the first look at it. Natural. It was like so much red coming out when I was showering, but this is it. Only ended up having one of the workshops. I thought I had 2 today, but it was only one. But I've been working on my applications, and I have most of the Oregon one done, and I still have to finish. I've done a couple of the like smaller essays for the Stanford one, but making progress. Good morning. Heading to Berkeley to volunteer. Potentially meeting with my group later today over Zoom because our presentation's next week. I'm still not completely convinced that I think it's a group presentation because I believe all of our assignments were going to be group, but I don't know. But I think it's a group assignment, so I've kind of been working on it by myself, but I was like, I should talk to my group so we know what's going on for next week. So hopefully get some help with that. My old PI submitted some of my recommendation letters. So yeah, I'll do that, and then gotta work on my application essays. Alright, see y'all in a bit. Hello, I'm back. Gonna make my lunch. Well, assemble my lunch. Sorry about my hair. Okay, gonna assemble my lunch. My mom left me some, what do you call these? Little pasta things. We're gonna make a salad. She can also cut some veggies. I'm just gonna mix them, and then what's it called? Add like some seasoning. Good morning, everybody. Heading to my sister's, and then we're gonna go to, we're gonna take Bart to Rockbridge for the flea market. If you've been keeping up with me for a little bit, you know that we tried to go to this flea market. I think it's like a once-a-month thing. Tried to go forever ago, and we got the date wrong, and then we just didn't go when it was actually the day. But now that my sister all moved in and still needs a few more pieces for like decor, that'd be better to go. And I also need some clothes, specifically shoes. I don't know what they'll have. I don't know if it's more decor, if they have some like clothes and stuff. I think they might have like some things that could be interesting to look at. So we're gonna go over like this or this one. So I gave myself, well, I wasn't sure I was gonna buy anything to start with, but then I found something I liked and it was 15, and so then I, in my head, gave myself a budget of 50, and I spent $50. So let me show you what I got. This blind book, is that what it's called? Blind date with a book. It says a YA novel about a Jamaican American girl facing deportation and a Korean American boy who fall in love over 12 hours in New York City. Okay, this was the first thing I got, which is this shirt. Isn't it cute? It is a size small, so I'm not 100% sure it's gonna fit at least clothes, but I think open it should fit, and I think it would go with my like brown nice pants that I got recently. Then the second spot was 3 for $25, so I got 3 things. This was the last one I grabbed out of there, which was just like these Levi low pro straight jeans. The jeans that I normally wear are Levi's, and I like how they fit. I think I normally get 27s, it's 28, so it's slightly bigger, but the other ones fit kind of like perfectly, so I think these will be good. From the same place, this shirt. It's like see-through-ish. I like it. And lastly, what I was looking at first was skirts. I like the concept of skirts. I don't normally wear skirts, but I want more skirts, and I got this guy from the same place. And it's open. And that's it. Now we're gonna go to the thrift store for my shoes, because we saw one in, I think, Walnut Creek has a bunch of shoes. And let me show you what happened to my cart. Look. Oh, you can tell. And then there's more all around it. I like them. I just don't know if I'm gonna be able to walk in. Okay, so my conference outfit for Saturday is gonna be like needs to be my best one because it'll be picture day. I'll get headshots, but also like group pictures. And I think this is it. And it'll go with my new shoes. Let me show you. I love this white top. It's like kind of, what's it called? Kind of tight right here. Well, not tight, but like more form-fitted. Then it like goes out, so I feel like it kind of gives that illusion. I love these pants. They're brown, and then my brown heels. Haha. And then, well, I think I'll like straighten my hair probably, because I don't know. Whenever I leave it natural, it just, well, right now it's like a few days, like it's a wash day soon, but I can never guarantee that it's gonna look right when I wash it and leave it curly. So I think I'll straighten it that day. Good morning. It is Sunday morning. I'm all ready for mass. My whole outfit is from yesterday. But yeah, I got ready I think a bit early. So I still have like an hour before we have to head out. Finished up my application for this like fellowship for grad school yesterday. I have to submit it so that my recommenders can get their emails to send in the letters, but I didn't tell them about this fellowship, so I'm gonna send them emails first and make sure that's fine, and then send out the email from the fellowship. Yeah, let me show you my outfit. Okay, so this shirt and these pants were from the flea market thing we went to from the same shop. These pants are like basically the same ones I own, just slightly bigger. Well, no, they're Levi's. I think the style is slightly different, but they kind of feel the same. And then these are from the consignment store.